friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a simple and colorful house. So grab your black marker and let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's start by drawing the roof of the house. Draw a big rectangle, and inside that, draw a triangle right in the middle. Awesome job! That's the roof. Now, let's draw the house part. Draw a large rectangle just under the roof. Let's draw the door in the middle. And now, draw 2 windows, one on each side of the door. Perfect! Our house is taking shape. Now, on one side of the house, let's draw a tree. Draw a tall trunk and big round leaves, just like a cloud shape. Let's draw the land under the house and tree. Make a curved line to show the ground. Now, let's add a sun up in the sky. Draw a circle and some small lines around it for the sunshine. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Wow, it's looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to color. Let's take out our color pens. We'll use rainbow colors today. Say the colors with me. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Brown color. Dark brown color. That looks amazing! You did a great job today. Our beautiful house drawing is all done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings every day. Bye-bye, friends. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.